Hello everyone, hope you're all doing okay. So very recently NVIDIA officially announced their RTX 30 series. Is it just me or this year's launch was really impressive? Three GPUs were announced, which were RTX 3070, RTX 3080 and RTX 3090. Let's analyze each of them. RTX 3070 is not only better than RTX 2070, but it also massively outperforms the RTX 2080 Ti while undercutting it in terms of price as well. That's really good value. These cards are based on G6X memory, which supposedly is way better than its predecessor. The fans are in pull and push configuration, which is a better design than the orthodox fan configuration. It also gives you a quieter GPU with improved efficiency. RTX 3080 gives you 10GB of G6X memory and starts at $699. RTX 3070 is 8GB of G6X memory and starts at $499. Finally, the star of the show, the ultimate mega supreme RTX 3090 with 24GB of raw absolute video memory. They also invited some streamers to play 8K games on that thing. Putting the 8K gaming practical use case aside, I'm amazed with the raw power of that thing. This is definitely something I'm gonna include in my rig for sure. RTX 3090 is 24GB G6X and starts at $1499. 24GB, you can store a AAA game in that thing. The graphic cards were fantastic, no doubt, but I must admit that I was absolutely amazed with AI features they discussed in the presentation. These were NVIDIA Reflex, NVIDIA 360Hz G-Sync displays, NVIDIA Broadcast, NVIDIA Omniverse Machinima, NVIDIA DLSS 2.0 and NVIDIA I/O. So first up, NVIDIA Reflex. This is a newer technology which makes gaming, especially competitive multi-shooter, efficient by optimizing the rendering pipelines across CPU and GPU to reduce latency. NVIDIA claims that it reduces latency by 50%. This is something that we will have to test in real time to see any noticeable difference. So, enabling ray tracing can take a toll on your CPU and GPU and give you significantly lower FPS, but they improved the performance by using RT cores and tensor cores and DLSS 2.0 simultaneously, which reduces computational workload and gives you a higher FPS with RTX turned on while also retaining greater detail. This is one of the features that I personally cannot wait for. NVIDIA DLSS 2.0 enhances the details of the missing pixels, so it is way better than the natively rendered scene that you would otherwise get. RTX I/O, which works with direct storage and which will help loading and initializing times significantly with larger games. Marble simulation, which showed 100% path traced real-time graphics with nothing pre-baked. This animation was pretty amazing and used Ampere architecture. NVIDIA 360Hz displays are going to be available at Acer, Alienware, MSI and ASUS at launch. Discerning any noticeable difference between 240Hz and 360Hz aside from the milliseconds in the competitive multiplayer shooter is gonna be absurd, but it's the best technology by far in terms of refresh rate. NVIDIA Broadcast, which also uses AI to turn your workspace into a visual studio by changing your background, eliminating background noise and out of frame by AI tracking. NVIDIA Omniverse Machinima can be used to create cinematic products, not to mention simulating physics, capturing audio to create a facial animation, materials rendering and AI tracking to simulate movement and various scenes. So it'll be interesting to see what developers can come up with using these tools. They said in the launch event that 3070 is faster than 2080 while 3080 is 2 times faster than 2080 Ti. So that makes me wonder, how fast is a 3080 from a 3070? So again, we should be skeptical regarding the real world use cases and we shouldn't take everything with face value, but NVIDIA has good track record relatively speaking. Plus, Shortcircut uploaded a video of GeForce Noise elimination AI, which was really good. It got to a point where Riley was trying to sabotage the AI, but it still didn't work, so it was really impressive. Link in the description below. So I'm really excited for these AI features personally. So I do believe that RTX 3070 is probably gonna be the way to go for pretty much everyone, but if you want the best of the best, then go for RTX 3090. That thing is like, it's absolutely insane. 24 gigs, but make sure that you actually have a real world use case for that thing so you can fully utilize that to its utmost potential. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys later.